Hello everyone, my name is Nely Pedrosa and today I will be presenting some insights from IBM's Cloud Gallery. This work is part of the course Introduction to Data Science, and I will be showing how data sets from the gallery can be used to explore patterns and generate business insights. This slide introduces the IBM Cloud Gallery. It provides access to a collection of datasets, notebooks, and templates that are useful for practicing and applying data science concepts. The gallery supports data exploration, visualization, and modeling, making it easier to test ideas in a structured way. The results include structured datasets and notebooks designed to demonstrate different types of data, such as numeric and text, helping us and users connect theory with practical applications. The dataset I selected is called Bakery and Weather Data. It is a fictitious dataset that simulates bakery transactions to practice pattern identification and hypothesis testing. Here we can see the attributes included, such as transaction details, product, season, weather condition, type of promotion, and customer information like gender and loyalty membership. The dataset is fictitious, but it is rich in attributes. It includes products like coffee and bagels with weather and seasonal information, which allows us to test possible business insights. This is a preview of the datasets in tabular form. Each row represents a transaction with attributes like sales, product category, weather, and payment type. This structured format allows us to explore relationships between external conditions such as weather and consumer purchasing behavior. In summary, the bakery and weather dataset simulates how everyday products like coffee and bagels are sold under different conditions. It combines product and sales information with contextual attributes like weather, promotions, and gender. This kind of dataset is very useful to demonstrate how data science can generate actionable insights for business decision making. In real data, we expect that bread and soup increase in winter, while soup decreases in summer. Translating this to our dataset, we could expect more coffee and on cold days and more cold beverages in warm weather. So, how can weather be compared to sales volume? These charts provide an example of how weather conditions can influence consumer behavior. The first chart shows bakery sales by weather condition. We can see that coffee sales increase on cloud and especially in rain days, while bagel sales remain relatively stable but slightly higher on sunny days. The second chart illustrates beverage preferences. Hot drinks dominate during cold and rain weather, Warriors cold beverages sell more when the weather is warm and sunny. These patterns highlight the importance of considering environmental factors such as weather when analyzing sales data. One limitation in this is that the dataset is not real. We see repeated values and limited variation, so we cannot identify genuine correlations. The dataset contains repeated values and fixed prices, for example, $20 and 81 cents on sales column, which limit real-world viability. Still, it is useful for practicing analysis techniques. It lacks seasonal data and reaches demographic information that could reveal deeper consumer behavior patterns. Because it is a fictitious dataset, correlations between weather and sales cannot be validated. This chart shows a regression example using simulated bakery data. On the x-axis, we have temperature, and on the y-axis, we have some coffee sales. The trend line suggests that as temperature decreases, coffee sales tend to decrease. This illustrates how regression can help us identify and predict relationships between variables. Here we can see some reflections and insights. Although the dataset is fictitious, it provides valuable practice for identifying patterns and testing hypotheses. In real-world scenarios, data science could uncover actionable insights such as adjusting bakery promotions to match weather conditions. Data science helps reveal hidden consumer behaviors. This example reinforces how data science connects everyday events like buying coffee and bread to strategic decision-making business. Cloud platforms like IBM's enable collaboration and scalability. Here I highlight some conclusions. So my main reflection is that data science connects business and consumer behavior, and platforms like IBM's cloud make it easier to explore and share these insights. Here are the main references that I supported my presentation. And thank you for your attention.